Hey there, little adventurers. Are you ready for a super fun ride today? Buckle up, because we're going on a big vehicle adventure. We're going to meet some awesome vehicles, each with its own cool job. So hop in and let's go. Vroom, vroom. First up, let's say hello to a very special friend, the dairy milk van. Doesn't that sound delicious? This van brings fresh, yummy milk to everyone in the neighborhood. It's always busy delivering dairy products, making sure your glass of milk is nice and cold. Can you hear the milk bottles clinking inside? Let's give a big wave to the milk van. Bye-bye, milk van. Next, we've got the mighty Bulldozer. Oh wow, look at how strong it is. It can push big piles of dirt around, helping to build roads and clear the way. Do you see the big blade in front? It's like a giant shovel. The Bulldozer works hard every day. Let's give it a big cheer. Go Bulldozer! And now, hold on tight because here comes the tractor, a big and powerful machine that works on the farm. It helps plow the fields, carry heavy loads, and sometimes even pulls a plow through the dirt. Look at those big wheels. The tractor is so strong it can handle anything. What a helper! Let's say, thank you, tractor. Okay, who's ready for some fun? Here comes the picnic bus. This bus is full of happy families going on a fun adventure. It's big, colorful, and ready to take you to the best picnic spots in the world. Look at the big windows. Everyone's looking out at the beautiful scenery. What a perfect day for a picnic. Say hello, picnic bus. Now, here comes the speedy auto rickshaw. Zoom, zoom. The auto rickshaw is a tiny, quick vehicle that's perfect for driving around town. It can squeeze through tight spaces, and it's the best way to get from one place to another in a hurry. Look how fast it goes. Let's shout, "Yay, auto rickshaw," as it zooms by. Hold on a minute, it's time for the taxi. This yellow car is always ready to take people wherever they need to go. Whether it's to the park, to a friend's house, or to the store, the taxi is there. Look at those bright lights. It's like a little car that works all day and night to help people. Let's wave to the taxi. Goodbye, taxi. And last but not least, here comes the truck. This big, strong vehicle carries all sorts of things, from furniture to food, toys, and even big machines. Look at the huge wheels and the powerful engine. Trucks help deliver things all over the world. They're like big helpers, driving from place to place, making sure everything is in the right spot. Bye, big truck. Phew, what an amazing journey. We've met so many cool vehicles today. The dairy milk van, bulldozer, tractor, picnic bus, auto rickshaw, taxi, and truck. Now it's time for a quick stop. We're going to park for a bit, just like how vehicles take a rest after a busy day. All our vehicles are safely parked now. They're resting, ready for the next adventure, and guess what? We can always play with these toy vehicles again. Thanks for joining me on this awesome ride today. Don't forget to keep learning and playing with all your favorite vehicles. Vroom, vroom. Until next time, bye-bye.